So definitely what we're trying to do as Backbase is we're not trying to freeze AI into time. What we're trying to do is we're actually trying to speed AI into being embedded into our day-to-day life, into banking, into finance, as well as into other segments, into other sectors of life. And what we've seen banking as well as transform banking is not only about managing money or payments now, it's about managing your entire lifestyle. So having AI embedded in this, it's just gonna accelerate, because the more we're gonna use it, the more things AI will serve, right? And I think managing the entire life cycle, as I meant, talking to the customer needs, understanding the customer needs, understanding which phase is each customer in his life journey as well, and trying to offer him relative products or very, let's say, interesting product and required product by every single individual separately. That's where AI is going to accelerate, and I don't see it slowing down. I just see it getting faster and faster and getting embedded more and more into literally everything we do in our life.
AI is the platform. It's gonna definitely raise the bar. But then it gets back to my first question, which is how far are we gonna let that bar go? Where's the consumer gonna feel comfortable? And are you gonna have complete AI platforms, or are we all gonna be plug and play into those platforms? That's a question that honestly, right now, I don't think even the biggest banks know the answer to that. But I think when you really look at resilience beyond the fraud and risk, organizations are setting the bar to say, how do we get to that point? Right now, most financial institutions, 95% of them, don't have the back office in place to take on a totally embedded AI platform. I don't believe. I don't know if you think differently on whether or not an organization is ready to have a completely AI platform based on their back office right now.
That's the thing, right? Because AI uses a lot of the data, and it uses a lot of the long-term customer relations that the bank owns with the client, right? So you have to really understand that it's not as easy as it be, because there's a lot of dependency on the data, there's a lot of dependency on the process. But yeah, I think going down the line, as of now, I don't see it happening fully powered by AI, but definitely down the line.
And it'll certainly look different than what we would say would be today, I think.
Okay, exactly.
Yeah.